Hi guys. Today's video is about Samsung Galaxy M31. M31 is the next phone in the Samsung Galaxy M series. M31 has a Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 411 ppi. The size of the display is 6.4 inches. It runs on Android 10. M31 is powered by the Exynos 9611 octa-core processor. It comes in two variants, one is with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, the other is with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. It has a UFS 2.1 storage. Its rear camera is made up of a 64 megapixels primary camera, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 5 megapixels macro lens, and a 5 megapixels depth sensor. It has a 16 megapixels front camera. It has a fingerprint sensor on the back, an accelerometer, a gyroscope, a proximity sensor, and an electronic compass. It has a 6000 mAh non-removable battery with 15-watt fast charging. It is expected to be released in India before the last of February 2020. The price is expected to be around 15,000 rupees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.